Our new UNI-SWC.5 interface is designed to retain the steering wheel control functionality of your vehicle when upgrading to an aftermarket head unit. The UNI-SWC.5 can be programmed to configure any vehicle function to any button. To begin the process of button remapping, you will need to connect the UNI-SWC.5 interface to a computer by using a USB to micro USB wire. Once attached, begin to run the reflashing software. If the head unit is not found automatically, you can manually source it via the drop-down menu shown here. As you may notice, each brand of stereo has a different set of commands. When you have identified the correct aftermarket stereo for your vehicle, you can then begin to customize the layout of the buttons by toggling the drop-down menus. Once the layout is arranged as desired, simply hit the Save to Interface button. You also have the option of resetting the buttons to their original default settings, or if you have made a mistake while self-configuring, you can always reload from the interface. The UNI-SWC.5 works with over 900 different vehicle applications. See the links within the description to learn more about analog head units and the installation process.